Hey friends, welcome to another video. The video is being posted late. I recorded the video, but somehow it got deleted. Okay, so let's start with Nifty analysis today. As you can see, I have already marked the extensions. From here, we are having the expectation of this 1-to-1 that it should attain this price to the upside. Now, in that process, it is just subdividing into swings here, like this. It went up, created a new structure high if we start from here. Then this went up, new structure high, higher low, and it created a new high today, and then it is retracing. So this is the price movement till now. What we are expecting that the price should anyhow go somewhere around here, 18085 on future chart. So what do we expect going forward? As we can see, we got this swing couple of days back from here, and if we project this to the upside, project this from here, we are having a 1-to-1 expectation somewhere around 17,980, 990. So it did not go there, fell marginally short, and started the retracement. So the swing this is having better buyer concentration in compared to this one. So we are expecting, as you can see, if we draw a fib from here, it has not attained even a 50% retracement. If you put the same fib here, it has already achieved more than 50% retracement. That means sellers are somewhat weaker here. So we may expect that one more down move can be not ruled out here to 61.8 retracement. So what should we expect going forward in the next trading session? If we see here, it is forming a very good structure. It has broken the high of this particular lower high, which led to this new low. So it made a new structure high here, and after that it is giving retracement. So if you see, this is in a very sweet spot. If we open long position just like there in 17,845 area, then we will be expecting 1-to-1 at least to the previous high. If you see, it will exactly fall here in this area, previous high. So this can be one scenario going forward in the next trading session. Now there was one comment that what do we expect or what should we do, because on Nifty price keeps on doing gaps up, gap downs. So let's get into that. So once there is a price gap up or gap down, we should see what exactly is our expectation. If you see here, this area was broken to the downside. That means a new low has been created. What do we expect now? We expect a retracement. The next day it gave a retracement. Now what should be the next step after retracement? It should be a continuation. So this continuation was accompanied or completed by a gap down in price momentum on Nifty. Nifty gap down, and we got the retracement completed or the correction completed. Once this gap down was made, you should see we were aligned with this swing, and it was a very, very high risk to reward setup for going long here. You see, this was a high, this was a retracement, and it gapped down as per the alignment of our expectation. Now from here we are expecting a upside. We were expecting upside, and the next day it gapped up. So it is already in our alignment. We are expecting move up, and that move up was given by a gap up. Once this gap up was done, what were we expecting? Once this break of a structure, a small break of structure was there, we would be coming to a conclusion that this upswing is completed, and then we expect a downward momentum. So it gave a retracement. After that, from here, if it is completed, there should be up move. Now again our up move was completed by this gap up. Now since this gap up was already done, we were pretty much sure that in this area, this 1 to 1 is going to get completed. Now there is no point going long aggressively here, because if we go wrong, it has higher probability of starting the retracement, or just price returning to the mean area. So this was obviously not a good point to open a long entry after today's gap up. So today there was a very small trade for me. I just scalped this swing on 3-minute chart, got entry short around 61.8, and 121 was achieved very easily. Why I didn't go long here? Because the same logic. It has already given a very good momentum from here, and 1 to 1 is about to be completed somewhere around here. So upside is capped. Once this break of structure happened, I was just looking for a setup as per my system, 600 system. I got this small swing. I put the retracement tool here, got entry, and target was easily achieved. Now once it started coming here somewhere like this 61.8 retracement, so there is no point going short in this area. And after that, if you want to go long, you want to see some this kind of setup, break above the previous high, a retracement. And now going forward, we should see if the price is getting gap down around this area. You see, around this area, if there is a gap down, we will be looking for a long trade. Right? If the price is giving gap up, then obviously this swing is getting completed. Then we won't be looking for aggressive long. Instead, we will be looking for less probability retracement trades like this, like the today's price action. So these are the scenarios we should see or analyze gap ups or gap downs. If it is, happening in our favor of retracement, we'll be looking for long. If it is happening in the opposite direction, or it is already giving the required upside, then upside should be considered limited, and instead of going aggressive long, we should look for short entry trades, scalping trades. Now this is how we deal with the gaps. So let's look at the stocks which I have selected for next trading session. All right, this is RBL Bank. I think it has already been given in the previous trading session. If you have entered here, already would have achieved the target. We can again get the long entry somewhere around 126.2, keeping the SL around 124.15, and our target will be 126.2. No, I don't think so. 120. Okay, target is 131.2. Fine. Next is Naukri. This was also provided yesterday, and if executed, you would have reached your target today. Now again, it is having the momentum, so we will be looking the same setup: buy around 40 to 30, SL below 41.76, and target of this 1 to 1, which is 43.60. Next is Gnfc. Okay, this is a risky one, but very good risk reward. Once it crosses our 755, this area, expect some retracement like this and open your long entry around 752.5, keeping the stop loss just below 771, 747.5. Target will be 771. It will be a very good risk to reward trade, but only open once it makes a small new structure high over here. Next one is M&M Finance. Okay, it has been going up nicely, making new highs. So here we expect that this should be coming somewhere around area of 222.5, or this area 222 to 222.5. This is good area, I think, to open a long entry. SL will be just below this, which is 220.15, and target, which we can expect it 229.15, 1 to 1 of this swing. All right. So these are the stocks which I think can give a good risk to reward trade in the next trading session, which is Monday. So if you find them useful, please share with your friends, subscribe, and comment in the provide the feedback in the comment section. If you have any query, let me know. I'll be providing the answer to that. Till then, thank you very much.